Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Beat for You. Today we are going to unbox a microphone Zeble RC02. In this we will check its unboxing, its quality, its features as well as its testing as well. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share our channel so that whenever new videos will be uploaded, you will get a notification for that and you will always remain up to date. So let's talk about this microphone. It's actually Zeble RC02. It's this whole surface is this whole mic actually is metallic material made of. So it's a budget oriented mic, so its quality is also very good, its output is also very good, which I am going to show you in the video ahead about its testing, how it sounds like. So today we are going to start its unboxing. So let's start unboxing the Zeble RC20 microphone that can be used externally with your PC or the laptops or your DSLR cams. It's the best budget microphone I have got from the Snapdeal, around 1200 bucks. So let's start the unboxing here. I have received just today only this box. So in this box it was sealed and packed outside. I have opened that already. So here it is written Zeble RC2 and there is anything written on any side of the box. So we will start its unboxing. So here it is. So this is a microphone and it seems to be of a very good quality. I said earlier also it is a budget microphone, so I will also make you test its sound later in this video. So see, this is the microphone which is of good quality, and here this is the connector from one end. On the other end it's the 3.5 mm jack, normal jack. So let's keep it aside. Now we will see what's more inside it, so that you people will get to know what sort of quality it is, what sort of material it is it worth buying. Everything we will discuss it in this video. So this is actually nothing but a stand in which we can just keep this and we can put it on any stand. Okay, so I don't think it's of much use for me, but it can be a much use for you people, so that's why I'm showing you. So let's put it this side, and now this is its cover, so that it can be protected from any water content or something else if required. So it's like this. Okay, so it will look like this. So this is it, and let's see the cable. See, this is the connector from this end. This connector is used to connect this microphone, and it will go on like this. Okay, yeah, it's like this, and you will hear a tuck sound when you fix it properly, like this. It has now been attached. On the other end, it's a 3.5 mm jack. ठीक है, right? But the thing is that you will get to notice it that this 3.5 mm jack will not support this mic on your smartphones. It can only support on your PCs, laptops and the DSLRs. For that purpose, I will show you one thing, that since this is a normal pin of a headphone of a smartphone, right? Okay, see, in here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4 partitions, right? But in this it's only 1, 2 and 3 partitions. So this will not work on your normal smartphones. So for that purpose, you can, in the market there is available the connectors or the converters which can convert this pin into this pin, and then you can use this microphone on your smartphones as well. So this was it about the unboxing. It's of good quality. I would recommend it for the purpose of your video recording or anything else, microphone, whatever you do at home. So I will recommend it because it's a most budget oriented microphone, which doesn't cost you more and also is a valuable product. So I will also demonstrate its testing, which you will be testing here right away. And also I want to focus on the thing that whenever you try or whenever you want to buy anything, you have a mind of buying any gadget, electronics, whether electrical required, just go to the YouTube and check their reviews from your trusted channels, because by reviewing your searches will get narrowed down, and you will always keep this thing in mind, what you have to buy and what you have not to buy. Okay, so let's check now the video testing with the audio of this microphone. So friends, this is the recording which I am doing through this mic, and I hope my voice quality is very good with the help of this mic. So I would suggest and recommend also, just go for it and hope for the best in future. Okay, and I hope you have liked this video. Do share it with others, do help your friends, do help your relatives in order to gain knowledge from this video, and also do like, subscribe as well for your future videos.